Hello everyone. Welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is Fazal now. I'm Deepti, an English tutor. Today, you're gonna learn few words related to coronavirus in this video, Coronavirus Vocabulary Part 1. First and foremost, you must understand the differences between corona and coronavirus. Corona is a circle of light that can sometimes be seen around the moon at night or around the sun during an eclipse. Coronavirus is a type of virus that causes diseases in humans and animals. In humans, it usually causes respiratory infections in the nose, throat, or chest that are not serious, but that can sometimes cause more serious infections that can kill people. Okay, let me give you 5 seconds. Comment the answer for the question in the comment section that I'm gonna ask you. What is the name of the disease caused by coronavirus? Very good. The answer is COVID-19. The expansion of COVID-19 is Coronavirus Disease 2019. Come on, let us see some more words. Community spread. Community spread is the spread of a contagious disease within a particular area. Comorbidity. Comorbidity is the presence of one or more additional diseases co-occurring with a primary disease. It is a medical term. Contact tracing. Contact tracing is the process of identification of persons who might have come into contact with an infected person and subsequent collection of further information. This term is used in public health. Contagious. Contagious refers to spread from one person or organism to another, typically by direct contact. Epidemic. Epidemic is the appearance of a particular disease in a large number of people at the same time in a region or community. Fatality rate. Fatality rate is the percentage of people who die from a disease compared with the total number of people who were diagnosed with the disease in a certain time frame. It is also called fatality risk. Flattening the curve. Flattening the curve means slowing the spread of the epidemic so that the peak number of people requiring care at the time is reduced and the healthcare system does not exceed its capacity. Fomites. Fomites are objects or materials which are likely to carry infection such as clothes, utensils, and furniture. Incubation period. Incubation period is a period between when a person is first exposed to a virus and the appearance of symptoms. Index case. Index case is the first identified case in a group of related cases of a particular communicable or heritable disease. Friends, hope you had useful time. Please share your valuable suggestions and feedback in the comment section. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat. Thank you.